YouTubers, and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. This is my latest acquired vacuum cleaner. This is a Hoover Junior 1346. Now, it was this or the U1012 that I waited for a long time to finally own. Now I own both, as on my channel. In my videos, you will find a video of the U1012, and now we got this. We fetched this from Saxelby. We got on the bus from my hometown down to Saxelby, and it was quite a trek as my sat-nav sent me the complete wrong way. I walked, by the way. I used my phone for my sat-nav, and it sent me right round the back. It was just tracked roads and no paths. So I was waltzing about all over the place with a suitcase. It was obviously to put this in the weather we've got today. I mean, at the minute it's stopped raining, but terrible weather. And well, I finally found the address, and yeah, as I say, picked it up and got the bus back home. So this is it's a not bad machine. It already works. I've already tested it. It sounds fantastic. There are a few niggles though. Cable is original, but it does need replacing. There are a few deep cuts through it, but not too serious. The body has lost its original colour. It's got a crack here. A bit of damage has been sustained. But apart from that, it's fantastic. So, what we're going to do for you guys is we are going to do a short demo and see what it can do. Okay. Sorry about the outro, guys. My camera decided to delete the video. So this is the outro. What an absolute fantastic machine. Ground the carpet with its beta bar. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant machine. Brilliant suction. Very similar to Hoover Lux's on my channel of the Junior Fest. So, like, subscribe, and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.